This is Jeannie in the art studio, and you know what day it is? Wednesday, and this is Wisdom Wednesday. And we're so excited every day for Wisdom Wednesday. I today want to talk to you about Valentine's Day. Very important. Now, you might say, well, I'm just going to shut this off because I don't have a Valentine right now. Don't do it. Because it doesn't even matter. You could have a sweetheart right now. You can be in between sweeties. It's okay. Because if you have someone that you'd like to have a date night with, bring them on over, and we've got some really cute designs that we can make. And if you don't, would you please come anyway and make one of these for yourselves? I made this for myself, so it's very fun. I have a couple of bevels that say things like this one says, "I will always love you." And this one has just little bevels. Is that so cute? You could do this. I know you can. Now there's some other kinds of things that if you want to take a bigger class, this is kind of a fun thing that we did one year. Now this is just something that we found at the Salvation Army, DI, wherever we found it. And David built a frame and we sandblasted these hearts. So there's a lot of fun things that you could do. Maybe you have an idea for a glass project that you'd like to do in stained glass. Also, we have a February panel that's a Swiss heart. I don't have one here, but I bet David could put a picture up for you. And it's so fun. Just a lot of straight pieces, which is kind of fun to cut, is the straight pieces, and all put together to make a Swiss heart. So look at all of these ideas that we have for you to do for Valentine's Day. Now I know you have a couple of weeks, so I'm giving you some time to think about it, to plan ahead. Save up a little bit. It's not even very expensive, probably the same amount as if you'd go out to a nice restaurant. So come on over, let's do some Valentines together. This is your Wisdom Wednesday. Take it to heart.